Honestly, I've spent the past 10 minutes trying to start this vlog and I have no idea what I'm doing. Just arrived on this incredibly warm, incredibly hot Sri Lankan airport. We're about to find our way outside. Hey dude. How you doing, my man? Good, and you, man? Good, dude. Yeah. Good to see you.
Good to see you guys.
How you doing, darling?
Good, good. And you?
What you got for your mama? You can cut out the drama, leave it in the past, or you might as well keep your smile. But I know you're good for it. You never let me.
So after driving for about an hour, we've been searching for a place to get cold beer, which doesn't exist here, but we got warm beer.
Rather warm beer than no beer.
Rather warm beer than no beer. Yeah. Hey, Brad. Yeah.
If you want to get this, I gotta be everything you want me to do.
Thank you very much. Are you excited, Melli?
Yes.
Name is Percy. Really, really nice. Came out and met us. Let's go check what his place looks like. Thank you.
Steffi. Oh, okay. Melli, yeah.
Hi, I'm Shayne.
Shayne, okay. It's easy name. But we can all fall asleep in this one, hey?
Yes.
Wow, look at this. Look at that. This house is amazing.
Percy, I think we might never leave here, my friend. I think we're just gonna stay here for the entire 2 weeks. We'll just live with you.
We'll try to pull the sea this way. The ocean.
Even better, Percy. I believe you can. I believe you're the man to get that job done.
Look at this lush garden.
Honestly, guys, after having such a long travel and, you know, up and down flights and a really, really bumpy 3-hour drive from Colombo to Kandy, there's nothing better than being welcomed to a place like this by such friendly people. And the place is incredible. It's clean, perfect.
Ice cream on top.
Thank you so much.
A little bit of ice cream to keep you on.
Wow.
Amazing.
I've been thinking about you. If you want to come get this, I gotta be everything.
Good morning, guys.
If you want to come get this, I gotta be everything.
Fresh juice.
That's amazing.
I was like, stop it.
Wait a minute.
Alright guys, so our plan today is to grab some tuk-tuks, go to the center of Kandy and go find some fried ice cream. Hi, I'm Shayne.
I'm Sanjay.
Sanjay, nice to meet you, Sanjay.
This is, excuse me. Let me know
where are you from?
Better German than me.
And Austin.
Where are you going? Nuwara. Say it out loud. Nuwara. We're going to Nuwara.
So we found this place called Slightly Chilled. We've got a huge recommendation from our drivers, so let's check it out.
Yes,
I like it.
I love Oreos so much.
mushrooms. Melli's Lieblingshobby. Picking mushrooms. Oh. Run, Brad. So elegant. Holy shit! Ah. Hey buddy.
I think they were fighting.
They were. After a pretty kick-ass day down in Kandy, we've been introduced to this restaurant here, and it looks pretty cool. Okay, so apparently we're not staying here. I see the rest of our crew coming, so that can only be a bad thing. No one's telling me what's happening.
Yeah, there's no beers, so
Shit, no beers.
go back to slightly chill.
Of course we're not gonna stay if there's no beers. God damn it.
It burns immediately upon contact.